Right, so in our previous lesson we were doing this one. So you know I'm having this expression. Uh, so yeah, and now let's see this one now. Fine. So I'm assigning this one. Right, assign operators. We have variable name. We cannot. Okay. Else in left of an assignment operator, it must always be a variable. In right, we can have an constant of variable or an expression. Here we have an arithmetic expression, and we have a really simple arithmetic expression. Here we could have a really complex one with the multiple constants, variables, and operators. I have written some more instructions here, and in all these instructions we have arithmetic expression with more than one operator. We can write such complex arithmetic expressions, but we must understand how to create a syntactically correct expression in code, and we must also understand how these expressions will get evaluated. We have discussed this five arithmetic operators. All of these are binary operators. An operator that operates on two operands is called a binary operator. Operands by definition is an object on which operation is being performed. For all these operators, we must have an operand in left and another operand in the right. Operator itself would be in between operands, can be constant of variable or a complex expression. Operands can be an expression itself. Let's fix this expression a plus 2 into b. We have two operators. Here we have additional and we have multiplication. Now you can tell me the operands for each of these two operators. Well, it will depend upon which operations we are performing first. If we perform this addition first, then the addition operands are 22, and for multiplication operands are a plus 2 and b. But if we are performing the multiplication first, then the operands for multiplication would be 2 and b, and operands for addition would be a, and this expression 2 into b. If you remember your high school mathematics, then precedence or priority of multiplication and division operations is higher than addition and subtraction, and so on. In this expression, multiplication will be performed first, so this is correct. Interpretation, and this is incorrect. In a complex expression, operator's precedence is applied to decide the order of the operations in an arithmetic expression. First, preference is given to parenthesis. Next, in priority to your preference, your multiplication, division, and modulo, and then comes addition and subtraction. If there are two operators of same priority, then they are executed from left to right by this expression. A plus 2 into b, what we implicitly mean is a plus and then 2 into b within parenthesis. If we want the addition to be performed first, then we must put parenthesis explicitly. We should actually return expression like this. Now I have come back to this code that I have written earlier. What I am doing here is that I am assigning these expressions to variables. What we can do also do is that we can pass this expression directly as a function arguments. So in this in the first print, Instead of passing some I can directly pass a plus b. So I don't need these variables named sum. And similarly, in the next print, if I can simply pass a minus b, in the next I can pass a into b. For the quotient, I can pass a by b, and for modulo, we can pass a modulo b. If you will run this program, you will get the same output as earlier. An arithmetic expression can be assigned to a variable, or it can be passed directly as argument to a function. Okay. Now, what I wanted to do next is I wanted to erase all the code in this main function, and now want to write some arithmetic expressions, and I want to you to guess the output. What do you think will be the output of this program? Give this some time and decide the answer in this expression. A plus b by 2, we have two operators, addition and division, and we have no parenthesis, so division will be performed first. B is 3, and 3 by 2 will give us 1. Remember, when we divide an integer by another, we get the quotient or the integral part. So b by 2 would be 1, and a is 4, so c would be 4 plus 1, that is 5. When I am running the program, as you can see, I have got 5. Now what should be the output of this one? We have two operators, action and addition. They have equal priority, so they will be executed from left to right. A minus b would be 4, minus 3 would be 1, that is 1, and c is 6. Of 1 plus 6 would be 7, d would be 7. Okay, now what should be the output of this one part of the expression within the parenthesis will be executed first. A plus b would be 7, c minus t would be 1, so e would be 7 into 1, that is 7, and my guess is right again. So within this much, I hope you got the understanding of how you can perform the arithmetic operation in your code. I will stop